kids, welcome to this fun and exciting math quiz. Have fun and enjoy.
Hooray!
Emma has 19 apples. She gets 10 more apples. How many apples does Emma have now? Emma has 29 apples. 19 plus 10 equals 29. 40 cookies are on the plate. 15 cookies are eaten. How many cookies are left? There are 25 cookies left. 40 minus 15 equals 25. 14 birds are sitting in a tree. 17 more birds fly in. How many birds are there in total? If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. There are 31 birds sitting in the tree. 14 plus 17 equals 31. 49 children are sitting in the bus. 5 children get off, followed by another 7. How many children stay on the bus? There are 37 children left on the bus. 49 minus 5 equals 44, and 44 minus 7 equals 37. I blew up 7 balloons. My brother blew up 11 balloons. My parents blew up 22 balloons. How many balloons are there in total? "40 balloons were blown up. 7 plus 11 equals 18 and 18 plus 22 equals 40. I converted 27 out of 35 penalty kicks. How many balls did I miss? Eight balls missed the target. 35 minus 27 equals 8. I have 39 cute stuffed animals. I gave 12 of them to my little brother. How many do I have left? If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I still have 27 left. 39 minus 12 equals 27. I have 13 toy cars. I buy 5 more toy cars. How many toy cars do I have now? Now I have 18 toy cars. 13 plus 5 equals 18. If I ate 10 gummy bears and my brother ate 5 fewer, how many are left if there were 38 to begin with? There are 23 gummy bears left. I ate 10, my brother ate 5 less, which means 10 minus 5 equals 5. Together we ate 15. 10 plus 5 equals 15. The answer is 38 minus 15 equals 23. My friend has 20 marbles. I have 28. How many do we have together? Together we have 48 marbles. 20 plus 28 equals 48. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you next time, and don't forget to watch our other videos.